What if the new interstellar visitor is not a normal comet? What if it is technology from another star? Today, we explore the top reasons why 3I/Atlas could be alien technology. I will present the evidence that you cannot ignore. Stay with me until the end of the video because the last reason will change the way you look at interstellar visitors forever. And by the end, you will get the answer. 3I/Atlas, a comet, or was it an alien craft? We are told to be patient and to trust that a natural explanation will eventually be found. Yet, the facts that support 3I/Atlas being a natural object are weak and require us to invent new theories. The facts that point to alien design are direct and fit the data perfectly. We hesitate because humanity prefers the comfort of being alone in the universe to the truth the sky is showing us. That is not science. That is fear. So let us talk plainly about the evidence for 3I/Atlas being an alien probe. First, how it moved. NASA identifies 3I/Atlas as the third interstellar object on a hyperbolic path. In simple words, a one passed through our system with no return. NASA Goddard also flagged the speed at about 130,000 miles per hour, the fastest cometary visitor on record. A fast, single transit gives us very little time to watch it. It also looks like a practical survey route, not a captured orbit. Second, it woke up too early. Hubble saw activity far from the Sun, hundreds of millions of miles out, around 3.8 astronomical units. NASA write-up shows a teardrop-shaped dust shell and a faint, sunlight-pushed tail before it was close. Early activation is not the usual pattern. A surface that reacts at low sunlight looks more like a skin doing a job on cue than a sleepy crust. Third, the glow is not standard. Observers noted that the way it brightened and the way the dust behaved were not like many comets we know. You do not need fancy terms. It is enough to say the light and dust did not follow the usual playbook. Fourth, the chemistry is odd. Webb found water, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide. The key is the balance. NASA points out the cloud around it is unusually rich in CO2 compared with many comets here. Early activity plus an unusual gas mix is not a comfy fit for routine. Fifth, the clock helps a mission. There is a built-in blind spot when this interstellar object slides behind the Sun from Earth's point of view. NASA even told teams to observe it before it disappears back into the cosmic dark. A window opens, a window closes. If you wanted to act without being watched for long, this geometry gives cover. Now the last reason, the one that should seal it. Ask the simplest question. Which explanation needs fewer excuses to explain everything NASA reported? The natural story needs a chain of special cases all at once. Special grains, special ices, special timing, special gas mix, and lucky geometry. To believe this interstellar visitor was a natural object, you must believe in a series of scientific miracles. To believe it was an alien probe, you only need to believe one thing, that we are not alone. The simplest explanation is often the correct one. And the simplest explanation for this interstellar visitor is not a strange comet that breaks all the rules. It is an alien device. So, the choice is yours. Was 3I/Atlas a freak of nature, or was it a piece of alien technology? Type craft if you believe the evidence points to an alien origin. Type comet if you believe it was just a strange rock. No matter your choice, we must watch the sky with new eyes. The universe is telling us something, and we can no longer afford to pretend we do not hear it. Thanks for watching. This channel is a conversation and not a lecture, so post your comments. If you want more investigations like this, subscribe and open notifications. Love you all.